Let's talk about a silent offender that might be causing you to fail your emissions tests without you even noticing a change in how your car drives. I am talking about code P0167, which is the O2 sensor heater circuit malfunction for bank 2, sensor 3. Now, oxygen sensors are the nose of your car's computer. They sniff the exhaust to see if the engine is burning fuel efficiently. But here is the catch. They only work when they are extremely hot, like 600 degrees hot. To get them working faster, especially on a cold morning start, they have a built-in electric heater element inside them. That is what this code is about. It's not saying the sensor cannot read oxygen, it's saying the heater part is broken. Specifically, we're looking at bank 2, which is the side of the engine that does not have cylinder number 1, and sensor 3, which is usually way downstream in the exhaust pipe. Since this is often a rear sensor, it mainly monitors the catalytic converter, so you might not feel a rough idle, but that check engine light will stare you down. The fix is usually straightforward, but do not just throw a sensor at it yet. Grab a multimeter or a simple test light. You need to verify that the heater circuit is actually getting 12 volts of power and has a solid ground. Often it is just a blown fuse in the fuse box dedicated to the heater circuits. If the fuse is good, crawl under there and check the wiring harness. Since it is under the car, it can get melted by the exhaust pipe or ripped by road debris. If you have power and ground at the connector, then yes, the heating element inside the sensor is likely burnt out and it is time for a replacement. Just remember, diagnose first, spend money second, and you'll save yourself a lot of headache.